This is very amazing also today. On the 14th of July 2025, we have Vuorikatu 4 here in Heinola, Lahti region, Finland. It's been 7 pictures of pop-out. I think best these 4 verses, I think that it comes at least a pop-out car potential, let's see inside also.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, itself also.
amazing, amazing. Is it 3 rides?
Yeah.
Yeah, and this has been built in 1971. It's a real stage 25294.
Inspected by Kone, maintained by Kone.
Should we test that pop-up feature on the third rider?
Yeah, or now maybe.
Yeah. Quite buzzing.
Yeah.
This is the third rider.
Yeah.
Back to the graph. Yeah, that's it, and thank you very much for watching. It's one of the best videos.
Yeah. That's